Hello viewers, welcome to JavaScript fundamental tutorial. In this tutorial, I shall teach you how to use JavaScript to add interactivity to your web page. The basic knowledge and prerequisite skill for this training is that you must be familiar with HTML and CSS. So, having assumed that, I will be using the Visual Studio Code as my code editor for this tutorial. And if you do not have it, I suggest you visit this link on the browser, https://code.visualstudio.com/download. So you can go ahead and download the one that is close to your operating system, either Windows or Mac, right? Okay, so having said this, we are going to actually start. And once you've downloaded the Visual Studio Code, proceed to launching it in your folder. So I've just done mine. I'm quickly going to add a first page. So we can add JavaScript to our HTML page, or we can create a separate file for JavaScript and then attach it to the HTML page. In this particular tutorial, I will be showing you how to do both, adding to your web page directly or creating a separate file and linking it to your web page. So first of all, I need to have a HTML page, and of course I'll generate my boilerplate and give it a title of JS Fundamentals. So having done that, I will go ahead and of course write my first heading and make it JavaScript Fundamentals. So I think I should add something like welcome to JavaScript Fundamentals and put exclamation mark there. So I'll save this and quickly preview this in the live mode, and is going to actually display on the browser. So let's see what it looks like here. So you can see it here, right? So I'll go back again and work on the code. Now, to embed a JavaScript in my HTML, all I need is to use the script element, right? And of course, I can type in the body or my script here. So this will be the area where I'm going to type in my script, but I'm not going to leave it like this. Later you will understand what this actually means. It's a single line comment, but when we delve into it, you are going to understand better. Meanwhile, let me just say that at this point, a comment is more like a line in your statement of code that will not be executed. So you are not going to see this anywhere. It's not going to affect what you're doing, but you might need it for annotation, just to describe what is going on every step of the way. All right, so having done that, I will quickly clear this, and first of all use alert to just show something. Hello world. And I'm going to terminate my line and save. Now let's preview and see what it looks like here. So you can see that I have a pop-up which is alert, and I'm not going to see the entire body of my web page without interacting with this. So I'll quickly click OK, so I will be allowed to view the rest of the content on my page. So as you can see it, I can now view the rest of the content on my page. All right. So here, what I'm going to do again is that I am going to quickly remove this particular script from here. So if I remove the script from here, you are not going to see it again appearing or interfering with what I have over there. So as you can see, it's no longer interfering with what I have on the page. So I can easily or quickly view my page without having a pop-up that will require me to click OK before I can view the rest, the remaining content of my page. So I'll proceed with my code, and I am going to insert the same code on a separate file. This file is going to be a JavaScript file. So I will go ahead and create scripts.js. Always remember the extension for JavaScript files, exclusively JavaScript files, is .js. So I'm using .js to create my JavaScript file, and the name is scripts.js. So I'll click enter. And of course, I'm going to type the same thing, except that I do not need a script element. So the only thing I need to do here is to simply type in hello world. So notice that I have excluded the script element, which I used when I was embedding JavaScript in my web page. So I'm not going to use that here again. Just take note of this. It was like this. So I'm excluding this particular script element. It's not necessary when you are actually typing in your code in a JavaScript file. So this is it. But again, I am not done yet. This is not going to work. As you can see, if I show you the browser, you are not going to see anything working at this point. So everything still remains the same. So let me show you how you can link it up so that you can see the alert. So we'll link it up by using script source. Then source means the name of my JavaScript file. In this case, is script.js. So I'll save and ensure that script.js and the HTML are both in the same folder. So just take note of that. So having said that, I will quickly preview, and now you can see that everything is working again. And when I click OK, I will now be allowed to view the rest of the page. So guys, this is actually how to start your JavaScript code, how to embed it in HTML, and of course how to link an external JavaScript file to your HTML. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next tutorial. Thank you.